If you've watched our videos before on YouTube, you know that I always say go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel because you never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And here is a prime example. Why not? How about a drag car? 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Engine, Brodix block with big Duke aluminum heads on it. Has a fast fuel injected system to it. Edelbrock high-rise intake. We took this car after coming in here to be sold to the dyno. What we did get out of that is it will do in excess of 750 horsepower to the rear wheels before the slicks started to slip on the drum, and it has 750 pound-feet of torque, badged up as a Z28. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. That's what I would suggest with any questions, concerns that you may have. You can see those Eagle Goodyear racing tires on it. Looks like weld forged racing wheels, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Of course, the rather large cowl induction hood. You're going to see the IHRA stickers on that cage. There's a full cage in there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Mentioned slicks earlier. Yes, parachute car with the drag slicks. Like I said, full-on drag car. And remember, we do consider trades. You can always assist with transportation, wheelie bars up against the wall. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we will get this fired up. I'm going to take the hood off, and I'll get Pat to assist me while I run the camera, and he can get in there, climb in, and get this baby fired up. Fuel cell up in the front. 2-speed automatic transmission, MSD ignition. There's a fuel pressure regulating system, 2-stage nitrous setup, and it's believed to be a 600 shot NOS, judging by the injectors, and it is a direct injection system with the nitrous. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. This front clip, by the way, is removable, as well as the hood, obviously, and that is all glass. All right, once again, still pictures before we get Pat out to help us out. uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades, and we can sure assist you with the transportation. Number to call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's get this bad boy fired up, and let's listen. All right, I have my assistant in there. We are ready to go. Fire this up for you.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.